Here's a quick tip for organizing complex Arduino programs. Chunk all behaviors into discrete states and call the states from the main loop using an array of function pointers. Sort of like swapping in and out different main loops. To explain exactly what I mean by that, I'll walk through a step-by-step example with you to make a James Bond countdown timer game. Oh no! This is a bomb, and from the looks of it I have less than 30 seconds to disarm it. I know, if I pull the right wire, I will disarm the bomb and save us all. The workflow goes like this. Step 1. Write down a description of each state. Don't worry how you ended up in each state, only worry about what to do once you're here and where you can go to next. Step 2. Create global variables for each of your states. Basically like an enum. Step 3 is the big step where you write all of your code. Write a function for each state based on your descriptions, and also write all supporting functions and global variables. Step 4, create an array holding pointers to each of your functions, where the global state variables correspond to the indexes of the state functions. This might look a little funky to you if you've never seen it before, but don't sweat the syntax too much. Using the array is fairly straightforward. Step 5, call your state functions in the main loop with your array. And finally, the inevitable last step, run your program and fix all the mistakes you've made. It's time to see if the code actually works. So to walk through this, right now, everything should be in standby mode. And as soon as I attach this wire to ground, then all of the wires will be connected and it should move into countdown mode. Okay, well that's promising. So if I just wait for 30 seconds, then it should blow up. Alright. So this is the death ray. It's red. That's how you know it's bad. Of course, there's no way to get out of this because the device has blown itself up. So we'll just reset that. And now we're back in standby mode. So again, now that's the countdown. Let's see. If I pull, which wire would it be? Is it the yellow? No, it's not the yellow wire. Is it the white wire? Is it the white wire? Well, that's a problem because it's not the white wire, and I've pulled it, and we should have blown up. To make this strategy more successful, consider these hints while writing your program. Use static variables in your state functions to reduce the number of globals. If you're not sure what a static variable is, it's like kind of halfway between a regular variable and a global, where the variable will remember its last value between function calls. Make sure that your state functions have the same signature. That is, they will have the same return type, the same number of parameters, and the same parameter types. And finally, don't use this strategy when there's a lot of overlap between states or when there's predominantly just one state. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions or comments for me down below. Later, folks.